I'm Erica, and I'm so happy that I get this opportunity to present to you a whole 7 minutes of pure joy in one of my favorite pastimes, the Felis catus, or better known as a cat. The cat is thought to have been domesticated in Egypt, not by humans, but domesticated by their own choice. It is thought that the cat decided to domesticate itself as there are no signs of typical domestication, such as floppy ears, a curly tail, or a decreased tooth size. Cats domesticated themselves when agriculture was invented due to the number of rodents the grain attracted, which in turn attracted wild cats. Cats and farmers had a good trade-off. The cats kept the land from infestation of rodents, and the farmers kept the cats around, which provided them a home, and soon enough the cats spread into the Far East. The cats came in and people seemed to enjoy them. In fact, they were so revered in ancient Egypt that if a person was convicted of killing a cat, by accident or not, they would receive the death sentence. As cats spread throughout Europe and during the time of the Middle Ages, a shift in how people viewed cats changed. Cats became victims to folklorist games and were said to be faithful companions and helpers to witches and the devil. Cats were killed in masses as pure entertainment, and many, in fact, thought it would ward off evil. This mindset was so impactful that we still associate black cats with evil, witches, or the dark side to this day. And in fact, a very interesting thing happened due to the killings of cats in Europe. An unintended consequence emerged because of the lack of cats, and it caused an increase in the rat population that also caused one of the most devastating pandemics in history. But what was the correlation? Well, the cats weren't there to hunt and kill the rats, which carried fleas on them with a deadly bacterium called Yersinia pestis. Because so little was known by doctors about the plague, many superstitions arose because of it, and many still blamed cats because of the previous ideas of them being associated with witches and the devil. People continued to kill cats, which in turn caused the second plague pandemic. But by the 1500s, cats were regaining popularity and eventually had a comeback as new explorers left Great Britain and Spain, which spread domestic cats into America. Cats settled in quite nicely with their human companions, again offering a way to control rodents and pests. Moreover, cats come in all colors and shapes, either with long or short hair. Some are purebred, while others are melting pots of cats. Purebred cats are highly prized. In fact, many purebred cat owners enter their cats into competitions. The United States has a few organizations which regulate the breeds. A purebred cat is a cat that has ancestors who were only a single kind of unusual cat, like a Siamese or a Manx. One of the most well-known organizations is the Cat Fancier. The Cat Fanciers organizations recognizes over 35 different cat breeds, with Maine Coons and Persians being the most popular. So if you own a cat, you are most likely trotting down the aisle of one of your local pet stores to gather pet food and supplies for your fur baby. But did you know that according to the ASPCA, on average, the cost of owning a cat within the first year will cost you around $1,035? Pet spending adds up to more than we might realize, as it is one of the industries that is virtually untouched during a recession. These days, many cat owners scour the internet looking for new high-tech cat inventions. For example, an indoor treadmill for your cat or a self-flushing cat toilet. That'll set you back around $300. But for the enhancement of their cat's life, there's no price. The Bureau of Labor Statistics tracked pet spending, and surprisingly, Americans spent more on their pet cats than they did on alcohol. Wow! As I wrap up, I want to leave you with 10 facts about cats that you may or may not have known. Well, number 1, studies have shown that just watching cat videos on the internet can boost a person's energy and create positive emotions for that person. Number 2, they help deal with loss. They help with the grieving process. Number 3, they help men find significant others. A British poll found that 82% of women agreed that they are more attracted to men who like animals. And 90% of those women said that men who own a cat are nicer than other guys. Number 4, a 2000 survey of British pet owners by the University of Bristol found that people who own cats were more likely to have college degrees than their dog-loving counterparts. Cats in particular lower your stress level, possibly since they don't require as much effort as dogs. They fulfill your need for companionship. You'll also sleep better. Number 9, cats owners have fewer allergies, especially people that are introduced from birth. They have less allergies through their lifetime. And 10, they can save your life. They have the ability to detect when a seizure is about to happen. So I encourage everyone to adopt and not shop. Thank you.